You've been cleaning your home with expensive products your entire life, and a lemon has been sitting in your kitchen laughing at you. No, seriously, the stuff you're spraying on your counters, your faucets, your microwave, some of it is actually making the buildup worse over time. And the crazy part, a single lemon and a pinch of salt can outperform most of it, faster, cheaper, with zero harsh fumes. We're talking about grease that dissolves in seconds, rust stains that lift like magic, a microwave so gunked up you've given up on it, completely spotless in under 2 minutes, and a bathroom trick so simple you're gonna feel slightly annoyed you didn't know it sooner. We've got 19 of these. Some are obvious, most are not, and the last one, almost nobody knows, but it works instantly. Also, if you've been dealing with stubborn stains on mirrors, upholstery, or even your car seats, you probably missed something important. We broke the whole thing down in our last video, 17 shaving cream cleaning hacks that will blow your mind, and it solves a problem most people completely ignore. Worth checking out after this. Now, let's get into it. Hack number 1. Your cutting board is dirtier than your toilet seat. Studies have actually shown this. And bleach, it sits on the surface. It doesn't get into the grooves where bacteria hide. Here's what works. Cut a lemon in half. Pour a generous layer of coarse salt directly onto the board. Now scrub with the lemon cut side down like it's an eraser. The salt acts as an abrasive. The lemon juice is acidic enough to break down bacteria and pull out staining. Scrub for 60 seconds, rinse. Your board comes out bright, deodorized, and actually clean. Not just surface clean, deep clean. And here's where it gets even better. This works on wooden boards that you should never soak in water. This is the method wood care experts actually recommend. Hack number 2 is one most people completely skip. Your microwave. You know the state it's in. You've tried wiping it, you've tried spraying it. The splatter just bakes in harder. Here's what you do instead. Slice a whole lemon in half, squeeze both halves into a microwave-safe bowl of water, drop the squeezed rinds in too. Microwave it on high for 3 minutes, don't open the door. Let it sit for 5 more minutes with the door closed. The steam loosens everything. The lemon oils cut through grease. When you open that door, every single bit of splatter wipes off with one paper towel. No scrubbing, no chemicals, no burned smell, just clean. Hack number 3. This one's for your faucets. That white, crusty buildup around the base, that's mineral deposit. Lime scale. Most sprays just sit on top of it. To actually dissolve it, you need acid. Cut a lemon in half, press it directly onto the faucet head and twist it back and forth. Leave it there for 10 minutes. The citric acid breaks down the calcium deposits at a molecular level. Come back, wipe it off, and that faucet looks brand new. For really stubborn buildup, wrap the faucet in a paper towel soaked in lemon juice and leave it for 15 minutes. You'll be shocked at the result. Hack number 4. But here's a mistake almost everyone makes with this next one. Your stainless steel sink. People scrub stainless steel with abrasive pads and actually scratch the surface, which makes it look duller over time and gives bacteria more places to hide. Instead, cut a lemon in half, dip it in baking soda, and buff your sink in circular motions. The baking soda is a gentle abrasive. The lemon juice reacts with it to lift stains and neutralize odors. Rinse it out and your sink looks polished. No scratches, no streaks. Tip number 7 is where things get really crazy, by the way. Keep watching. Hack number 5. Your garbage disposal smells like something died in it. You've poured dish soap down there, you've run hot water, still smells. Here's the fix. Cut a lemon into small wedges. Toss them in the disposal with a handful of coarse salt. Run cold water and turn it on. The salt scrubs the blades. The lemon oils coat the inside and eliminate odor at the source, instead of just masking it. Do this once a week and your disposal will smell like a kitchen, not a dumpster. Hack number 6. Grout lines. Dark, stained, embarrassing grout that no store-bought cleaner has touched. Mix lemon juice with salt into a thick paste. Apply it directly to the grout with an old toothbrush. Scrub hard. Leave it for 5 minutes. Rinse. The acid in the lemon breaks down mold and mildew staining. The salt provides the scrubbing power to pull it out. For really dark grout, apply the paste and let it sit for 15 minutes before scrubbing. People pay professional cleaners to do exactly this. Hack number 7. Okay, this is the one. Copper and brass. If you have any copper pots, brass fixtures, or decorative pieces that have gone dark and dull, this will blow your mind. Cut a lemon in half, dip the cut side directly into table salt, rub it on the copper or brass. Within 30 seconds, you will watch years of tarnish lift right off. The citric acid reacts with the copper oxide that causes darkening, and the salt accelerates the reaction. Your copper comes out looking like it just came out of the store. This is what professional antique restorers use, and it costs you nothing. This is where it changes everything, because the next few hacks work on surfaces you'd never expect. Hack number 8, glass shower doors. That foggy film that makes your shower look perpetually dirty even after you clean it, that's soap scum mixed with hard water. Commercial removers are expensive and toxic. Instead, cut a lemon in half and rub it directly on the glass in circular motions. Let it sit for 2 minutes. Wipe with a damp cloth. The film dissolves. The glass becomes clear. For extra power, dip the lemon in salt first. The mild abrasion from the salt combined with the acid cleans the glass without scratching it. Do this once a week and the buildup never comes back. Hack number 9, rust stains on fabric. This sounds impossible, but stay with me. If you have rust stains on white clothes or linens, apply lemon juice directly to the stain and cover it with salt. Then place the item in direct sunlight. The combination of citric acid, salt, and UV light creates a natural bleaching and rust-dissolving reaction. Leave it for an hour, rinse, the stain is gone. This works on stains that have been sitting for months. Your dry cleaner will never tell you this. Hack number 10. Almost nobody does this part. Your refrigerator. Not just the shelves, the rubber door seal. That black gunk in the door seal grooves is mold, and it's growing every day. Mix lemon juice and salt into a paste. Dip a cotton ball into it. Run it along the seal grooves. The acid kills the mold, the salt scrubs it out. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. Your fridge stops smelling, your food stays fresher, and you've eliminated a genuine health hazard hiding in plain sight. Hack number 11, tile floors with grout haze. If you've ever had tile installed or regrouted, you know that chalky film that stays on the tile surface. Mopping doesn't touch it. Mix lemon juice with salt and warm water. Mop the floor with this solution. The citric acid dissolves the grout haze without damaging the tile. Rinse with clean water. Floors look professionally finished. Hack number 12. But here's a mistake most people make. Wooden furniture with water rings. People try to sand them out or use furniture polish, which can actually darken the ring further. Instead, make a paste of lemon juice and salt and apply it to the water ring with a soft cloth. Rub gently with the grain of the wood. The mild acid lifts the mineral deposit that causes the white ring. Wipe clean, the ring disappears. This works on dining tables, coffee tables, nightstands, any finished wood surface.
Number 13, your oven door glass. That brown baked-on grease that makes your oven look disgusting from the outside? Squeeze lemon juice onto the glass and coat it with salt. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Scrub with a damp cloth in circular motions. The caked grease softens and comes off. No oven cleaner, no toxic fumes, no waiting 24 hours. This is 10 minutes. Hack number 14, plastic containers that are permanently stained from tomato sauce and curry. You've tried dish soap. Still orange. Rub the inside of the container with half a lemon dipped in salt. Let the juice sit on the stain for 5 minutes before rinsing. The citric acid breaks down the pigment molecules that have absorbed into the plastic. Rinse clean. The stain fades significantly or disappears completely. For really deep stains, repeat twice. Hack number 15 is one of the most underrated cleaning tricks in existence, your toilet, specifically the ring. Instead of scrubbing with a brush and chemical cleaner that irritates your lungs, pour a full cup of lemon juice into the bowl and add a quarter cup of coarse salt. Let it sit for 30 minutes without flushing. Come back and scrub briefly with the brush. The mineral deposits and staining break down on their own. You're barely working. The bowl comes out clean. This is how you clean a toilet without actually cleaning a toilet. Hack number 16, cutting the smell out of your hands after cooking. Garlic, onion, fish, that smell stays on your skin for hours, no matter how much soap you use. Rub half a lemon with salt directly on your hands like a scrub. Rinse with cold water. The odor is gone in 10 seconds. The salt exfoliates. The lemon neutralizes the sulfur compounds causing the smell. This works better than any soap on the market. Hack number 17. This is where it changes everything for your laundry. Sweat stains on white shirts, that yellow armpit staining that builds up over time. Make a paste of lemon juice, salt, and a tiny bit of dish soap. Apply it directly to the stain. Let it sit in sunlight for an hour. Launder normally. The combination lifts the protein and mineral deposits that cause yellowing. White shirts come out white again. Not gray white, actually white. Hack number 18. Your coffee maker. You descale it with expensive tablets or vinegar, but if you want your coffee to taste clean and remove buildup from the internal parts, run a cycle with water mixed with lemon juice and a tablespoon of salt. The citric acid descales the heating element. The salt helps break down mineral deposits in the water lines. Run 2 plain water cycles after. Your coffee will taste noticeably cleaner and brighter. Your coffee maker will last longer. Hack number 19, the one almost nobody knows about, your dishwasher. You run it every day and never clean it. The inside of your dishwasher has grease buildup, hard water deposits, and sometimes mold in the filter area. Place half a lemon directly on the top rack, cut side up. Pour a cup of coarse salt into the bottom of the dishwasher. Run a hot cycle empty. The lemon releases citric acid throughout the entire cycle. The salt acts as a natural water softener and scrubbing agent. Your dishwasher comes out smelling clean, running more efficiently, and producing cleaner dishes. People replace dishwashers when they stop cleaning well. Most of the time, all they needed was this. So let's recap what you now know. 19 hacks, lemon and salt. 2 ingredients, less than $1 combined, and they outperform most chemical cleaners you've spent good money on your cutting board, your microwave, your shower doors, your toilet, your copper, your oven, your dishwasher, your faucets, your laundry, and your fridge seal. You didn't just learn cleaning tips today, you learned chemistry. You understand now why this works. Acid breaks down minerals and bacteria. Salt provides safe abrasion and accelerates reactions. And natural oils deodorize at the source. That knowledge is yours forever. And here's the thing most people still don't realize. The biggest cleaning headaches in your home aren't solved by stronger chemicals. They're solved by the right reaction. That's exactly what we're breaking down in our next video. 23 Dawn dish soap hacks that clean your entire home. And what you'll see there genuinely surprised us. There's a reason professional cleaners keep one specific bottle under every sink. Once you know what it actually does to grease, stains, and buildup at a molecular level, you'll understand why it beats products that cost 10 times more. That one is worth your time.